I'm Evan Lazarus, Chief Knowledge Officer for T3Live.com. You don't become a great trader by watching videos and taking courses. You become a great trader through live screen time. Accelerate that learning curve by tapping into the experience of seasoned professionals. Currently, we're offering 5-day free trials to each of our 4 mentoring rooms. In the mentoring rooms, we teach our strategies in the context of the live market. To sign up for a free trial, go to the T3 Live education page, fill out the form, and get started when the next trading session begins. We hope to see you in one of our mentoring rooms.
Good afternoon, stock fans. This is Steve Levay with the T3 Live halftime report. Currently, we have a market that is down only 7 on the S&P, only 37 on the Dow, and only 14 on the NASDAQ. I went to bed last night thinking we were going to get some crazy volatility today. Went to bed, the futures were down 24. I woke up, they were only down about 14. And here we are cut in half again around 7. This is the type of market, gang, that when I have a feeling that something's going to happen and it doesn't, I tend to shy away from hitting the keys too much. I keep myself out of trouble that way. I'm up a little bit of money today, but again, I was expecting a lot more in the way of volatility, a lot more in the way of selling off. You know, in my opinion right now, I have a market that is really top-heavy, and it's looking for a reason to sell off, and we're just not getting it yet. Every time we get a gap down, there's big buyers. But I'm having trouble fighting that feeling like we are going to get a pullback. I just don't know when it's going to be. So until I get that comfy feeling when I'm sitting in front of my desk again, I'm really going to take it light, find my positions, and really just wait for the intraday setups to happen to make me the money that I'm accustomed to making. With that, let's talk about what I'm looking at today. XOne. XONE. Again, the stock is really showing nice strength in a weak market. Again, start with your daily. And as you can see here, beautiful ascending triangle, nice up action. I hear tomorrow they can start, the quiet period's over. You can start getting upgrades, initiations, and stuff on it. I'd like to see this thing get through Friday's high of 31.36 and then maybe push it to that 32 level. For all the initiations tomorrow, maybe we see a new all-time high. 33.60 is the all-time high for this stock. So this has been on the radar for quite a few days, waiting for it to break out. We might get that sooner than later. Also, DDD one that we're looking at. I have not traded it today. However, this bar is going to make me keep an eye on this a lot closer now. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days down, we hit a low at 27.88. And a nice $2 bounce off the lows today, printing us right about 30 right now. If you look at the 5-minute, you can see a little bit of a bullish flag right here off the bottom. And here's your flag area right here. And again, guys, if you don't recognize how to find these bullish and bearish flags, make sure you contact customer service at T3Live.com, and you can sign up for a trial with Mike and I in our Momentum chat room. But here's the bull flag that you see. It broke out right above here, and we got a nice 20-minute move that took us about $1 and change up to the current highs of about 30.25. So this one will stay on the radar as well for me. Another one that popped up, made new all-time highs today is this CZR, Caesars Entertainment. I am looking at it now. I saw it on my radar after more internet gambling news came out, and the stock has rallied nicely from a low of 16.21, put in a little bullish flag right here and rounded up again to about 18.30, and now we've pulled back to the 8-period moving average on the 5, 17.89. Let's see if it can hold this level, 17.50, 17.80, somewhere in there for a nice flag to set up, and then we make moves to highs later on this afternoon. So with that, gang, again, I'm light on the keys today. I don't want to fight my overall feeling that we are due for a pullback. I'd rather just trade the action in front of me. That's the safest way to go. I'm not coming in with any opinions. And if I do have that opinion that we're going to sell off and it doesn't work, I'm not going to try and push it. With that, everybody, have a great rest of the day trading. I'll talk to you on the VTF.